Hey, good morning, how are you? Look like a mess, but it's okay. I just got done walking Nugget and then I'm gonna make my breakfast right now actually. I'm super hungry, but I have to go to the gym today. I'm not sure if I should go to CrossFit or go to the gym, the other gym. We'll see, but cause I have two, but I digress. I have the gym here and then CrossFit. Anyway, you didn't ask that. So I'm going out of town today. It's like about an hour and a half away. I hope it's not. I doubt there'll be traffic. I hope not. But I'm going to a Halloween party / birthday party, which I'm actually looking forward to. I'm looking forward to this because I like Halloween. Do you like Halloween? Last year I didn't do anything because of the pandemic. I'm pretty sure I ate candy, drank some wine, watched TV. So this year I'm dressing up. I think, so I ordered a costume online and it arrived a few days ago and it just did not fit how I thought it would. I got this like jumpsuit, you know, like a pilot suit. I was gonna wear it with like my aviators and my boots, but I ordered some fangs and some blood. It arrived yesterday on time, so I'm just doing this like last minute vampire type of thing. So, the laundry is done. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and just bring you along throughout my day, my weekend, and I need coffee. I want to share with you the new tattoos I got actually because I think some of you guys were asking on my Instagram. I actually got 3 in one day. I got this one right here, this firefly, which I really like. And then I got my dad's birthday in Roman numerals. They're still healing, as you can see. His month and the month and the year he was born. I have my mom's Roman numerals, so I was like, let's not leave dad left out, or have him left out. And then I got this leg tattoo. How do I film this without, can I see? This one here, it's still healing, so it's still gonna shed, or like, you know, if you've had a tattoo, you know what I mean. It goes through like these phases, but I got this old school camera, which I've had in my documents now for like years, so I finally got it. Alright, up next for my skincare routine, I'm going to be using BULKE HOMME. I really like this brand so far. I am excited because they are sponsoring today's video, so thank you, BULKE HOMME, for sponsoring today's video. And they have you covered. You know, I'm all about simple and efficient skincare to the point. They have these amazing products that actually work really well. First off, the face wash. I'm going to cleanse my face with this, and BULKE HOMME does have this bubble net that you need to use with the face wash. It's really cool. It kind of looks like an octopus in a way. I don't know why I feel like it does look like that, but you need to use this with the face wash. Just apply a little bit onto this bubble net, add a little bit of water, and this creates a dense lather to reduce friction against your skin when you're washing your face. So you must use it together, and I really like the way my skin feels after I wash my face with this. It feels really clean and it feels like it really got everything off my skin, but it doesn't feel dry at the same time. It feels hydrated and you know, nourished. It just feels clean, so I really like this here. Up next, I'm using the toner. It's step number 2. This is a pore minimizing and hydrating toner. I like this consistency a lot. It's not watery, but it's not thick, if that makes sense. It's like a perfect just texture, and it really does hydrate the skin. And then up next, I use the lotion, which is this rich moisturizing lotion. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin, which I really like. My skin just feels taken care of. It feels refreshed and it feels hydrated, which I like. And I love that it doesn't have a crazy fragrance to it either. It just smells clean and it just feels really nice, to be honest. The best thing about this is that you can now try all 3 essential skincare items by purchasing their travel set. It's only $10 and free shipping at their online store. I'll have links in the down bar, but I'm definitely going to take this to New York. I'm heading out there in about a week and a half. So I definitely recommend this. If you want to shop the products, I'll have the links in the description box. It was my birthday about like 2 weeks ago, and my manager sent me this gift, which I was not expecting at all, like at all. I don't even know how she knew that I had been wanting these for, like, I've had these in my cart. So Abigail, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I called her right away. I was like, first off, I mean, thank you. And then secondly, how did you know? She's like, we've been stalking your browser. Like, calm down. Like, don't scare me. No, they're awesome though. So thank you so much, Matter Media. This is like, I'm super excited to wear these. I love these. I think last year they got me a like tequila bottle, which I fucking loved. This one here, thank you. Alright, I'm on my way. I just put gas. And there was a cape at the gas station. They had like a little Halloween section. And they had this cape for $10. And I was like, I'm buying this. Even the cashier was like, is that a cape? I'm like, yes, because I was trying to find one last minute for the costume. And because I was just planning on wearing like a white button down, like a nice shirt, right, with like a blazer jacket, pop the collars, and be like a modern, I guess, vampire. And I found a cape, so I don't know, hopefully it's not, it looks kind of cheap, but whatever. I don't remember what it's like to leave and be like, all right, I'm not coming home for a night, or I'm not coming home for a few days. Even traveling, you know, I wouldn't trade my dog for anything, but there has to be some planning, right? Like for someone to dog sit, because Nugget's not he's not like the type of dog that I would travel with. I just didn't train him that way. I wish I would have, but my brother's in San Francisco right now. He usually dog sits him, and everyone else is doing something. So my mom's staying the night, which is cool, you know, because my dog, he loves her. But yeah, any pet owners out there, I'm sure you guys can relate. It's like, even just like planning a week trip or something, there has to be some planning involved. I'm not trying to compare him to a kid, but it feels sometimes like I have a child. I'm like, all right, who's gonna watch Nugget?